Hey, what's up everyone? This is Rarina here with How to Escape, and today we're doing a quick vlog video. I just saved a ton of money from taking my car to a mom and pop shop over the dealer, and I just wanted to share the situation and what happened. So a few months ago, my car was experiencing some heavy oil leaks, and I had checked all of the super obvious places, but I was still seeing a large amount of oil dripping off the back of the engine, like towards the top. And I brought it to the dealer. I brought it to two dealerships, and both of them said, "Oh, well, it's dripping around the cover of the engine and everything. It's got to be your camshaft seals. The camshaft seals are leaking." I said, "Why would that be?" And I had my timing belt replaced, maybe 8 months ago or so. And they're like, "Oh, when you had that service work done, you go in as far as the camshaft seals almost. They probably disturbed the seals. They probably roughed them up. So to get in there and do the camshaft seals, you have to go deeper than you do for the timing belt and water pump." I was getting down in the dumps about this because my thought was, well, now we have to do this camshaft seal repair. And you got to get back in there anyway, so you spend $1,200 just to get in there before you can actually even do the swap out. I had these two dealerships quote me $3 grand to get in and put in camshaft seals. $3 grand. So basically they were asking me to pay $3 grand for something that they couldn't guarantee was the problem. And that's a lot of money. So I said, thanks, I'm gonna get a third opinion. I took it to this mom and pop shop here in Richmond, Virginia called Staples Mill Auto Care. Now, these guys are awesome. They know their stuff, and they talk to you and share what they're doing with you. They call you ahead of time. It's everything that you would want out of a mechanic. They're just really straight up. Within 1 hour, the guy had called me back and said, "I popped open your timing cover and it's dry. You don't have any oil sprayed around there, so it's not a camshaft seal leak." So right away, within 1 hour, they could tell me something that the dealerships were gonna charge me $3 grand to go in and do, and tell me once they're already in there, hey, by the way, it wasn't this. So on top of that, he called me back another half hour later, and he was really excited. He goes, "You're not gonna believe this." He said, "It's your variable valve timing solenoid." If some of you guys aren't familiar with this, a variable valve timing solenoid is a little valve that slides up and down, which diverts oil to one path versus another path. Now how this works is as you go faster and your engine revs higher, your oil pressure increases, and then that pressure builds up in the solenoid valve and pushes it into the other position. Once it goes into the other position, it actually changes the phasing of your cams and the way that the inputs and outputs into your cylinders operate, and it makes your engine more efficient at higher RPMs. So that's what that is for. And I walked out of that shop with my oil leak fixed, having paid, I think, around like $250. And here is what I was charged. And that was variable valve timing solenoid, state inspection. I'm just stoked that it was only this much total. And that was a guaranteed fix, and they found it. Well, and I was extremely excited about it because these dealerships had quoted me $3 grand to go in and chase what ghost they thought was going to be a camshaft seal leak.